every toothbrush every morning, every night. First, you need to get a toothpaste, a timer, and a toothbrush.
And
And a glass of water. First, you need to put the toothpaste at the toothbrush. And then you need to put water. Not toothbrush.
how to brush your hair?
Seryoso. Teka lang.